Thank you so much for joining in, and today's class we are going to be painting two sunflowers there. First up I have some swatches here on the bottom, and some of the colors that you will need are the lemon yellow, a deeper cadmium yellow, then a yellow ochre or something close to that, a warm burnt sienna, and then the deeper burnt umber, sap green, a deeper green, and a little bit of an olive green, or you can just mix a tiny bit of brown in with your sap as well. And for the background, there's only two colors to keep it nice and easy. There's a light blue first, and then I will show the wet on wet technique to drop in little bits of a deeper blue.